Good morning, friends. I am Shwetali teacher. Welcome to KB Banda English Medium School online class. Today we are going to learn Standard 7 Civics. Lesson number first. Introduction to our Constitution. Let's review a few things. In the civics textbook of the previous class, we saw the many reasons why were the rules of necessary in our lives. We follow the norms and the rules in order that the activities in the family, our school, our village, our city, our carried out smoothly. There are rules in a family. However, there are the norms about the behavior of the members in a family. There are the rules in a schools regarding the admissions, uniform and studies. Different commun- competitions also have their own rules. The administrations of our village or a city is also carried out in accordance with a rules. The meaning of constitution. The book in which all the provisions regarding the administrations of the country are mentioned together in the systematic way is called a constitution. Provisions in the constitution. The provisions in the constitutions are about different things. For example, citizenship, the rights of citizen, the relationship between the citizen and the state, subject of the laws to be made by the government, election, restrictions on government, judicials of the state, etc. Almost all the countries have accepted the principles of the governance according to the constitution. Yet the natures of the constitution of the different countries is a different. There are the difference of the history, social structure, culture, traditions, etc. between the countries. Next point, necessity of the constitution. See student, the Constitution of India preamble. There are the several advantages of the governing a country with the help of the rules are the provisions included in the constitution. For example, government has two functions within a set of the rules. These reduce the possibility of the misuse of the power and authority they have been given. The constitution includes the rights and the freedom of the citizen. Government cannot take away the rights, therefore a people's right and the freedoms of the significance. Running a country as per the provisions of the constitution is the same as the establishing the rules of the law. Then there is no scope for the misuse of the power. High headed administration. What is the administration? What is administration? What is includes in the administration of the country? Government has to make laws relating to the several subjects such as the defending the boundaries, protection the people from the uh, external protections of the workers, sections making the policies to the progress of the women, children and the tribal peoples, etc. Government has to be a bring about the desirable changes in the society by the implementing the laws. Background of the making of a constitution. The process of a making of the Indian constitution started in 1946. See student, 1946, the leaders of the freedom movements instead of the independence, India will be governed not by the laws made by the British, but by the laws made by the Indians themselves, as the community was established of the prepare of the Constitution of Independence. Constitution Assembly. India became the independent on August 15, 1947. Before that, the British ruler uh, over India, they had divided the India into the provisions like the Bombay, Bengal, and Madras. From the convenience of the administration is those the provision was carried out the people's representatives. Similarly, the local princes were carrying out the administration in some areas. Such areas were known as the provincial state, and their chief were known as the princes. There are a total of 299 members in the Constitution Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the president of the Constitution Assembly. The contribution of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a chairman of the drafting committees. He had studied in a depth the constitutions of the different countries of the world. He studied and the contemplated by day and night to be a draft our constitution. The draft constitution provided by him as it presented to the Constitution Assembly. Next, many amendments was suggested to the different members. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar headed the text of presenting the draft and answering the various questions raised of it. Making changes in the draft was per the suggestions of the Constitution Assembly, and making every provisions of the Constitution flawless due to be a contributions towards the making of the Constitution. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is called the architect of the Indian Constitution. Some of all knows the member of the Constitution Assembly were Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam, Abdul Azad, Sarojini Naidu, these members. The Constitution Assembly enacted the Constitution and adopted it on 26th November 1949. Therefore, 26th November is observed as the Constitution Day. The country begins to be a governance according to the provisions of the Constitution from 26 January 1950. The Indian Republic come into the existence from the day. Therefore, 26 January is celebrated as a Republic Day. See, look at this picture student. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar presenting the draft of the Indian Constitution to the Dr. Rajendra Prasad, President of the Constitution Assembly. All of you understand? Thank you so much.